A new lead just submitted my Typeform. But before anyone from my team could even open the response, look at this. The same lead is already inside my CRM. See, the complete automation is running live on your screen. As soon as the customer submits the Typeform, within just a few seconds, Pabbly Connect captures all their details and creates a new contact inside my CRM. The name, email address, phone number, and all the other required information. Everything is transferred automatically. I don't need to check Typeform, copy the customer details, or manually create a new contact inside my CRM. Now think about this. If your business is generating 50 or 100 leads every day, instead of your sales team wasting time transferring data between applications, every new lead can be automatically reach your CRM and become ready for follow-up. And this is exactly what I have built using Pabbly Connect. You can create this workflow once. After that, everything will happen automatically without any manual work. And this is just an example of what you can automate. Using Pabbly Connect, you can connect your lead generation tools, CRM, WhatsApp, Google Sheets, emails, and thousands of other applications to create a complete business automation workflows without coding. You can also create and test this exact workflow using the Pabbly Connect free trial. Follow this tutorial with me, submit your own test lead, and see the automation working for yourself. And after trying Pabbly Connect, if you find it useful and creates a mind to purchase its plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start creating this complete Typeform to CRM automation step by step. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for PABBLY pabbly.com/connect and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free tasks to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you have to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are three ways to create a workflow inside Pabbly Connect. The one is create from scratch, second one is create using AI, and the third one is create using Quick Builder. All of these are best, but in this tutorial I'm going to create a workflow by using Quick Builder. So I'm selecting that option, and see this connect as studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you need to give a single line prompt that will automatically generate a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work. See, as soon as I have give the prompt, automatically send Typeform leads to your CRM. It analyzes my request and asks me which Typeform trigger should start this workflow. So I'm selecting the new entry here. After that, it is asking me to select the CRM. It will provide you multiple types of CRMs. You can select it according to your choice. In this tutorial, I'm going to use Zoho CRM. Next, it is asking me about the Zoho CRM action that I am selecting as create contact. And see, within a second, it creates a workflow for me and asking me for my approval. So I am clicking on this approve and create button. See, my workflow is created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow. Look at this. I got the exact applications that I want, that is Typeform and Zoho CRM. Here my trigger application is Typeform and the action application is Zoho CRM. Trigger says when this happen and action says do this. You can also rename your workflow from here if you want to. See, after getting the application, we need to make a connection between our account and Pabbly Connect. So for that, you need to click on the application. After that, click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this option and clicking on this connect with Typeform. Next, the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission, so I'm permitting it by clicking on this accept button. And this is how easily you can connect your Typeform account with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, here you need to select the form. See, I have already created this webinar registration form inside my Typeform account. I'll show you. See, this is the same form, webinar registration form, and I added only some fields inside it. You can customize it based on your own choice. After selecting the form, next you need to select the response format. See, if you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. If you want to receive a response in advanced format, just like a flattened key value, structure, data, or an array, then you will select this option. And when you select the response format as raw, then you will receive the exact JSON that you will receive from the webhook. Here I am selecting the response format as simple and clicking on the save and send this request button, and you will see I have received a positive response and it started waiting for a webhook response too. So for getting this webhook response, go towards your Typeform account and select the form you want to connect with the Pabbly Connect. After that, publish the form and copy its link from here. See, after copying the form, now again I am going to fill this form for getting this webhook response. See, this time I have entered my first name is Ria, last name is Sahu, my contact number and the email address as well. After that, I am clicking on this OK button. Next, it is asking me to select what do you want to learn. So here I am selecting the marketing automation, no coding. After that, I am clicking on the submit button. See, the form has been submitted successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response 2 seconds ago and it includes all test details that I have entered while filling the form. This means that the connection between Typeform and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our Trigger application is fully completed. Moving forward, we have our action application as Zoho CRM. Now for making the connection between your account and Zoho CRM, you need to click on the application. After that, click on this connect button. For adding a new connection, select this option. After that, click on this connect with Zoho CRM. Next, it will ask you to enter the domain. So here my domain is zoho.in. So I'm copying it from here and pasting it in this field. After that, I'm clicking on this save button. Next up, Pabbly Connect will ask me for my permission, so I am giving it. And this is how easily you can connect your Zoho CRM account with Pabbly Connect. After that, in this first name field, I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Typeform. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this first name field, I'm doing the mapping of first name, that is Ria. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing each customer's data dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time on the new form submission, this data will change. After that, I'm doing the mapping of email address. After that, in this phone field, I'm doing the mapping of phone number. See, it is mapped. I mapped only some fields here because my objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect. You can map more fields completely based on your own requirements. See, after doing the mapping in each of these fields, I am clicking on this save and send test request button and you will see I have received the positive response. Now I'm going to show you my Zoho CRM account by refreshing it. See, immediately a new contact is created inside my Zoho CRM by the same name that I have mapped in each of these fields, that is Ria Sahu, contact number and the email address. This means that our action step is also working perfectly and I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually, you just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now our workflow is completed. After completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. And this is just an example. By using the same tool, you can integrate thousands of applications without coding. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.